Here we have the RockHouse Circle of Fifths. It's made out of metal. The window's made out of, this is the key window, it's made out of plastic. On the front you have chords. On the flip side we have just notes on scales, or on staffs rather. I'm not very good at reading those, so I'll leave those to people who are more musician than me. And all you have to do here to find the chords of any song is set the middle of this window to the key that you want to play in. So in C, the chords are G major, F major, A minor, E minor, D minor, and B diminished. Those are the chords that match it. This also shows you the position of those chords in the major scale. So C is the first. D minor here is the second, and so on and so forth. You can see how that works. What that does for you with having these 1, 1, 4, 5, these numbers here is number one, you can use them because if you look at this scale, if you have a song that has, for instance, a C, an A minor, and a D minor, that's 1, 6, 2. I don't know if that's a real scale, a real song or not. But if you wanted to put it in a different key, you just look here. Those are the chords. Now you just move this window to a different key. So there it is in G. So it's G, E minor, and A minor. And then you don't need a capo or anything. You just play those chords instead. But what you can also do, if you know the scale modes, because the scale modes are represented by these numbers too, which means you could start with a C, and C is Ionian. Well, that's C Ionian. On the 2, it's Dorian. So D Dorian and C Ionian are the same chords. And then 3 is Phrygian. And 3 is right there. So E Phrygian, D Dorian, and C Ionian are all the same. It's kind of amazing. It's made out of metal. I think I said that already. This is made out of plastic. The only thing that gives me a little worry are these metal tabs here. I can't tell how they're in there, or if they might fall out. It's not very easy to turn. It takes a little bit of effort to get it to move. And you're not going to use it as a fidget tool. You can just kind of spin it if you want. Once you set it down, it tends to not be movable very easily. And it came with this little felt case here. You can keep it in your case. Pretty cool.